So now we are gonna learn about recursion. Okay, what exactly is recursion? Like, from where did it came and like what does it imply? So see, let me explain you in non-technical terms. You did something, okay? It did not succeed. You did it again. No success. Again. No success. Again and again. And you finally achieved success. Over. Okay? That is the very basic way to explain recursion. Okay? There has to be a particular base case so that you get the result, otherwise you will stuck in this endless loop. Let's say there is a function, let's say do something and n number. Okay, here const new number equals to n if new number is 0. This is the base case. Return success. Otherwise, do something 8. New number. Oh, sorry, not 8. Here, what we are gonna do is n minus 1. Okay, or maybe minus minus n. Okay, do something, let's say 9. Will this work? Let's find out. Yeah, it did. 98765432110. So this is a recursive function. Why? Because you're calling the same function inside it again and again and again and again. Now the base case is met and you did not call it, you got the result. Okay, that is how it works. Why did the success not print? Array, we did not print the value of the function, we are only printing this new number. Okay, that is how the recursion works. So I will explain you another way to do recursion. Like here, let's do the factorial. Okay, the real world example. Function factorial of a number, this will return another number. If you do not know what is factorial, please stop watching this video. Okay, because you should have mathematical knowledge. So here, if n is 0 or n is 1, return 1. Okay, basically what happens is that, let's say if the number was 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. If the number was 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Like this factorial works. Okay, Now what we are going to do is return n multiplied by factorial of n minus 1. Okay, so here console.log factorial of 9. Okay, what will happen? 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2, and this is the answer. Okay, again calling this function, but the base case is met at one point and this will no longer run. Okay, that is how the recursion works, guys. Okay, meet you in the next video.